In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send Dog from your Telegram wallet to Binance. Let's get started. First, open Telegram and go to your Telegram wallet. Once you're inside, locate Dogecoin in your list of coins and tap on it to view your Dog balance. Tap on the send button. This will prompt you to enter the wallet address where you want to send the Dog. Now, open your Binance app from the home page, navigate to your wallet and then the spot section. Tap the deposit button, search for the Dogecoin and select it. Binance will ask you to choose a network. After selecting the Dogecoin network, a notice will appear, reminding you that both the deposit address and memo are required. Tap OK and copy the deposit address. Go back to your Telegram wallet and paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Now, type in the amount of Dog you want to transfer from Telegram wallet to Binance. Once entered, return to Binance, copy the memo, and paste it in the memo field in the Telegram wallet. After confirming all the details, click on Send. And that's how you can easily transfer Dog from Telegram wallet to Binance in just a few steps.